Hey, is my camera on? Is it on?
Yeah.
That shit's badass.
Yeah, that's way badass. This is that hard trail that was being bits to go this way.
Yeah.
So there's some crazy downhill or what?
You gotta let it go a little more, bud. You didn't bend your shift over in, did you?
Crazy guys.
Yep.
You all right, dude?
Yeah. Imagine going up all that.
Fuck that. I did it on an 85 way back in the day. Some local guy was like, oh, how long you guys been here? We were like, yeah, we've been here a couple days. We're pretty wore out. And he's like, oh, I know the trail you guys probably didn't hit. And we were like, well, fuck, let's do it. And he brought us out here. And I was like on a little bike going up all this. Looks like there's another way around. If you didn't want to go up this, there's probably a baby way around right over here. You know?
Or way harder.
I see there's an arrow hook right up there. I bet you it like curls around this a little bit.